Hey, my little A's. I decided to do a drawing video for my voice reveal. Well, probably wondering why there is no intro or outro to this video. I'm editing this on my tablet, and I don't have my outro or my intro saved on here. And you can probably hear my TV and my air conditioner. It's currently late at night, and I'm recording this. I'm real funny like that. So, just enjoy the drawing, and hopefully enjoy some voiceovers that may happen in the future. And it's just a drawing of me drawing my character. You all know her already. I use her in Gotcha. Well, bye my little AUs. Thank you so much for 100 subscribers. Hey, my little... I forget what I was gonna say. Okay. Well, enjoy the video. Bye! I just wanted to say thank you again for 100 subscribers.